Kolkata, the city of joy. And what better way to make someone joyous and delighted than offering a little piece of luscious heaven in mouth? Sweets, sweets, and more sweets. Now you shouldn't have any doubt why the people of this city are so sweet and generous. Okay, too much sweetness already. Now it's time for some backstory. History of Kolkata and their favorite mishti, as we call it here, dates back to a few hundred years at least. Sweets have always been the integral part of the culture and the tradition here. The ancient Bengal used to make sweets from gur or molasses harvested widely in this area. But the story changed something around 200 years ago when Portuguese colonization in Bengal introduced cottage cheese to the locals and opened door for a lot more possibilities. Ever since then, cheese curds, or locally known as chana, slowly became the primary ingredient and thus came the king of sweets, Rasgulla. Thanks to the famous confectioner and cultural icon Nobin Chandra Das, invention of Rasgulla changed the whole sweetmeat game forever and placed Bengal on international map of desserts. It is really hard to describe the feeling of having this mouth-watering juicy ball of happiness in your mouth because no words will do justice to that. And this story didn't stop there, but resulted into very popular variety of sweets like Sandesh, Pantua, Shorbhaja, Rasmalai, Shita Bhog, and whatnot. It's nearly impossible to mention all of them here since there easily are a few hundreds of them. And the best way to know is to come to Kolkata and put your sweet tooth to the ultimate experience. So, what are you waiting for? Jump in and let us know in the comments which one did you like the most and why. Biryani, often called as the king of kings when it comes to Indian cuisine of today, also has a long history of attachments with Indian food culture. Originated outside India, this regal Persian dish made its way into India about 600 years back with the invasion of Mughals, and then it was further experimented and perfected under Mughal royal kitchen. India now has to offer several variations of biryani, namely Lucknowi or Awadhi biryani, Hyderabadi biryani, Malabar biryani, Sindhi biryani, and so on, which are loved by almost everyone in the country. The variety that you will often find in Kolkata is called Kolkata biryani itself, and it branched out from Lucknowi biryani with a twist of potato. It's worth mentioning that Kolkata is the only place in the world where you will find potato in biryani, and it's worth trying. Taste of biryani is often complemented or even enhanced with side dishes like chap, rezala, or the kosha. Check out our top picks mentioned throughout the video to have the best experience possible. When it comes to Kolkata street foods, it's never enough no matter how detailed you may document or capture in a video. With an amalgamation of so many cultures and cuisines, Kolkata has always been food lovers' paradise, even to international audiences. And the best way to experience heart of Kolkata is probably at the streets, with those hundreds of thousands of vendors ready to welcome you with a big smile. In this vlog, we try to capture some of the items during our short vacation, which we hope would give you a fair idea and a starter sense of what to expect. This cultural capital of India has to offer hundreds of lip-smacking variety of fast food, which dates back quite a few years and has changed quite a bit with changes in lifestyle and the requirements. It is no exaggeration when we say that the variety of street food available in the city of Kolkata doesn't match any other location in the world, and that too at the cheapest price possible. Street food is not only the eye-drooling companion of your favorite evening time adda or the leisure time here, but is a serious business that supports millions of workers and professionals in and around the city. That is why you will often see that people of Kolkata not carrying their lunch to the offices, since our beloved city has spoiled everyone with readily available plethora of dishes just a few steps away. Although it's nearly impossible to list down all the street foods that we actually want to recommend, but here is a quick list to the most famous ones that you would definitely want to give it a try when you are in Kolkata. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our next video, which is coming very soon with a story from a different continent. Till then, keep exploring. Take care.